Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it is over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain
coming down on a sunny day? Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know, been that way for all my time.
Until forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it cannot stop. I wonder, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain
coming down on a sunny
Proverbs 6:19.
I wanna know,
Establish my
have you
steps.
ever seen the rain?
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny Say it with me when the world is playing devil advocate, keep being a ninja.